So let's go to Digital Divide and Educational Access for Families. Linda Prieto, Executive Director of Upward Scholars.
Thank you, Georgia. Good morning, everyone. Again, I'm the Executive Director of Upward Scholars, and we're a local nonprofit dedicated to serving immigrants and first-generation Americans from low-income households across San Mateo County, who with our support attend community, acquire the skills necessary to read and write English, and secure jobs that pay a sustainable living wage. Our work has also taken new meaning and urgency in the wake of COVID. Many of our adult immigrant students have since mid-March lost their jobs in the highest impacted industries for residents from low-income households, the service and hospitality sectors. With a move to distance learning at the community colleges as well, technology and connectivity for all remains the #1 priority in the area of the digital divide as we work to bridge educational welfare for families and individuals from a low-income bracket. When we discuss the challenges, needs, and programs associated with technology and connectivity of students, I urge us to continue to include our local community colleges and nonprofit organizations serving this particular demographic in said discussions and collaborations as well. 2/3 of the adult immigrants we serve are parents of school-age children, so their educational goals and digital needs are far and wide. They indeed need access to high-quality broadband internet that can serve multiple devices at once, streaming virtual conferencing like this throughout the day, and support for how to maintain everyone digitally connected in pursuit of their education and career goals. However, reduced internet programs alone are not the solution, as this places heads of household in the difficult situation of deciding between meeting their basic needs and paying for low-cost internet. Establishing hotspot initiatives that serve families from low-income backgrounds with children in K-12 schools results in most children getting access, as our community has already done. However, the need remains for their parents to have simultaneous access to contact schools and other community service providers, such as those on this call today. And in the case of our adult immigrant students, for them to also continue successfully enrolled in their community college courses. So if only one hotspot device is issued per household, it must have sufficient high-speed data to serve everyone's need, or an unlimited plan altogether. For our adult students, the average family size runs between 4 to 5 people, with the average household size upwards of 10 to 13 people. Then there's also the other third of our students who do not have children and find it even more difficult to qualify for low-cost internet or a free hotspot. So my suggestion for how to best implement the plan's recommendations for our organization and the wider community center around starting by first providing access and support to the neighborhoods across San Mateo County where our most vulnerable reside, so they don't need to rely on transportation to get to a place with free outdoor Wi-Fi access, especially in extreme weather conditions or with poor air quality index, or during limited times of day for safety reasons as well. As these developments are underway, I also urge us to support an expanded hotspot borrowing program at every San Mateo County Public Library that can allow patrons to borrow hotspots for longer periods of time and with an ongoing option to renew. I also want to specify that we serve all immigrants from low-income backgrounds, regardless of their citizenship status, because we know they are vital to the economy and social fabric of our community. Thus, having Wi-Fi technology and digital literacy programs available to our entire community must truly be an inclusive agenda. In closing, I appreciate and commend everyone's work to date on this important recovery plan, and I do look forward to our ongoing discussions and collaborations to take us through plan and implementation. Thank you very much, and I'll add my contact info to that.
Thank you so much, Linda, for speaking to the digital divide and educational access. Really appreciate it.